I have long been a huge fan of the iOS Apple iPhone long exposure trick, but basically one click and you get beautiful dreamy water, misty shots that look like you're taken on a camera, and it's been held open, the shutter, for like 30 seconds or more. Do it all, one button. But in the new iOS 15, Apple changed the settings. Some of you might be confused. I'd love to set you straight and show you how to make it work. Here's the old way. We click the button, we open up the photo, and then we swipe up, and then we have a bunch of different options here, just so you can see what we got. We have loop, we have bounce, where it goes back and forth, and then we have long exposure. Look at that. Is that pretty or what? That was the old way. Let me show you the new way. You take the picture in the same way, of course. There we go. We're going to take a photo. It's in live mode. We're going to take a look at it and swipe up, but instead of long exposure, we get information about where we took the picture and what our f-stop was. If we want to get long exposure, we have to click this little button up here. See that menu? Now we have long exposure, and it's going to kick right in, and that's beautiful. So personally, I think Apple made the right move. I didn't like having to swipe up all the time. I like having the little tabs at the top, and the information they're giving us with the current swipe up is vital information. We now know our file name number. We know where we took the picture. We have way more information. File names is a really big thing if you're constantly importing from your phone to the computer and you want to know what the file is called. So 2 thumbs up for me. So that's live photos. If you have any questions, any concerns, I'd love to hear from you. Look for me on Twitter or Instagram, where I'm at Jefferson Graham, and please stay tuned for the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.